Let's do a YouTube tour. First of all, we tap on the link. The link takes us to the home page. So notice it says home here. But YouTube is separated into videos and shorts. So these are my shorts. This video was posted last night late. This video has 5 views because it was posted maybe near midnight. Nobody saw it and nobody has commented on it. Last night, wow. Since I showed you this, it's gotten 5 more views. Last night I posted this one with the big and it was leading the pack. This one over here had 160 views. And this morning, my friend commented on this one last night and I responded. And by this morning, this one was leading the pack. But now 2 people commented on big and all of a sudden, big is starting to grow, leaving this one in the dust. Nobody's commenting on this one over here about guess the country. It's a question. Somebody guess the country for me, please. Come on. But watch out. This one is going to fly past the dress one because this one is getting more comments. It's a simple thing. Now, the next thing to know about YouTube is playlists. So I separated my videos in playlists because I'm a literacy teacher, I am a business person for 876 Documents, and I love to travel. So I've separated them into playlists. So one playlist is Travel With Me. You go inside of it and you see all of my travel videos. Well, so far I've posted 3, but I have 1,000 travel videos, trust me, that I'm going to post. Now I'm tracking my YouTube progress, and so I'm doing a behind the scenes. I think I'm about to post a behind the scenes right now, and this what I'm making right now is also a behind the scenes. So I'm going to put it in this playlist. So this is tracking my YouTube progress. It's not getting a lot of views because nobody commented. Now that I know that the algorithm wants comments, I'm going to get it comments. Move to Connecticut is my next playlist. So in this playlist, I talk about the hot air balloon, going out for sushi, the waterfront towns. Wow, I have a lot of videos in this playlist. I'm going to that lovely restaurant, all of these. And then this one, exploring nature. This need a cover photo because this doesn't look good by itself. I moved to Connecticut, did good. Solar brunch, did good. Yeah, my best I moved to Connecticut videos are okay, so they're not over here. They're the long videos. Oh, no man, they're the long videos that I was walking to the supermarket. Those got 900 views, so those are not in any playlist. I gotta move them to the I moved to Connecticut playlist. Okay, fine, we can do it. The citizenship test, all of the citizenship test videos are in here. So if you're looking for them in order, right here. And this is passport FYI. These are old videos. Maybe I need to go in and weed out some of the old videos or keep them. I don't know. But these are passport FYI. I need to sort these into latest, newest. Okay, so these are my latest ones. Emergency certificate, that got no comments. Let me see if it got a
Ask if they can
comment.
get an emergency passport to travel because they just realized their passport is expired.
This one has
Some
0
realize after they
comments
book the
and
ticket,
0 thumbs
some
up.
realize at the
Since
airport.
I like it. If
I
anybody
had a
leave
young
a
lady
comment,
recently
it's
who
going
had
to
actually
move.
gone to the airport
And I'm going to
and they
get people
told her
to
the
give it comments because it's not that hard, people. Just drop an emoji. Okay, so these are trending very low because they have no comments. Now, part of the reason I'm focusing on everything that I do is because I can't rely on passports only. I want to talk about my travels. Now I've gotten 721 subscribers, and it's since last night because I had 719. So I got 2 more subscribers. Hey, we're gonna celebrate the simple wins. Then community. I posted 2 things in community. One was about my blog that I wrote the other day, and another. Okay, why are these in community? Because I posted a video from this Jamaican guy who was walking around. I posted him in community. That was really good. Anyway, here we go. I posted Fire Read in Jamaica. But where is it? Well, I'm not familiar with community very well yet, so I'm just learning about it. And this is pretty much it. So when you go into YouTube, you can go to the person's homepage by tapping on their photo. When you tap on the person's like down here, you tap on the person's photo, you get to their page. But because this is my account, this is what I'm seeing. So you want to see the person's channel, you go to home, you look at their
Specific
videos.
it can get. I'm going to use the prompt, create a
If you like a video, you can watch the series of it. It will be probably in a playlist, or you can watch the shorts. Now I'm gonna make another playlist right now called literacy. Am I able to make a playlist? No. Okay. Can I make it here? No. So you have to make it in your computer. I'm gonna make a playlist and I'm gonna call it literacy. Learn with me. And I'm gonna drop that first short video into it. All right. So let's go back to home and see if okay, this video is way too long. See if this views went up. 419. Did it go up? What was it? 416? I think it did go up. Look at it. Let's see if it went up again. Okay, how do I refresh the screen to see if it
And I was running far away, but I
419 still. All right. That's a tour of YouTube.